It's me, John Anthony Chihak Sotero. I am here with the Bubbas, and we are unveiling the banner for the Bubba Patrol. Finally got this made. The Bubbas and I are very excited about it. Hope you can hear me all the way over there. We got this from Banners on the Cheap, recommended to me by my friend Jesse Sutton. I believe he is on here as Red Bear Art. I will, if he is on YouTube, I will Instagram him or tag him because he does unboxing videos and some art videos and things like that. All right. He also gave me an in with a sticker app. So we sent in the die cut stickers for Bubba Club through them. So you will be seeing those shortly as well when they arrive. So here we go. Wow. Oh, that is awesome. That is huge. Oh, check that out. That's gorgeous. That came out amazingly. I'm super excited about this. There's Foley and Grayson. And here we have, I'm going to take this off the tripod here. Here we have the Space Dog Gurry. We have Captain Teacup, Sabu. We have Mr. Whoopi, that's Foley. We have Night Dog, or Dogwing, I'm sorry, that's Grayson. We have Osita, she is the first Bubba, that is Cypress. And then down there, we've got the main man, Agnew J. Pennyworth. That is awesome. I'm super excited about this. Oh my gosh, that came out fabulous. All right, well, that's it for right now. Stay tuned for more videos as we get more product coming in, including the die cut stickers, the Bubba Club stickers, and we will be getting the collected edition, the special collected edition of issue 1 and 2 of the Bubba Patrol as well. We'll be unboxing and unveiling those as well. Talk to you soon.